Hey, welcome. I'm Shem Ogweno, and this is video number 10 in our HTML series for absolute beginners. In this video, we will look at void elements in HTML and how you can use them to enhance your web development projects. Let's dive in. As you have already seen, HTML tags come in pairs, opening and closing tags. Then content goes in between. Void elements don't have closing tag, also are written differently. You have open angle bracket, followed by a character, and then before the closing angle bracket, there will often be a space and a / character. Some common example of void elements include img tag for image, br tags for line break, and hr tag for horizontal rule. Since you have already learned about image tag, let's switch to CodePen and see how to use line break and horizontal rule. I will have a link on the screen if you need a refresher on image tag. You will use BR to add a line break in a paragraph like a poem or an address, and a HR tag to create a line break between themes. So I have a poem here, but the output doesn't look like a poem. So to make this look like a poem, we need to add a BR tags on each line like this. Good, now it looks like a poem. Now let's see how to use an HR tag. Hey, let me know if you're getting value from this video by giving it a thumbs up. Okay, back to horizontal rule. If this is your content and you want to add a divider, then you use the HR tag like this. And there you have it, HTML void element. I hope you can now confidently incorporate HTML void elements into your own projects. Thanks for watching and get time to code. I'll see you in the next one.